1.9 litres, only 900 watts. So that is fantastic for a camper van. And the price was unbelievable. It was £16.99 or in that region. It was unbelievable, the price. I did have a look at it in the store because I thought, oh, it's going to be right little, like 1.9 litre. The tray isn't going to be that big, but no, it's quite good actually. Up to 200 centigrade. And then you've got a timer, 30-minute timer, just nice and basic. Fantastic for a camper van, only 900 watts. So we're even going to test and fry some bacon. See how long that takes to do some bacon. So let's get it out and have a look. Turn it round. So it's slight angle in the bag. Let's get it out. But for the price, it's amazing. You see, get this bag off. So I'm in the camper van at the moment. I've got a 3000 watt inverter, so I know there's plenty of power. So let's get the drawer out and look. Oh, it's all taped up at the moment. So you've got 2 pieces of tape either side, making sure the drawer stays in properly. Look at that. So that's not a bad little size really. We'll get the old tape measure out. So you've got 6" by 6.5". It's an old tape measure, so don't judge me. And about 3" deep with its own little like grease tray. That should be, yeah, removable. It's on some little silicone legs. So that's fantastic. It's metal with a plastic outer. So let's have a look up here. So we've just got a ring. As you can see, it's a ring and a fan above. That's what all air fires round. I can see the heat sensor as well at top here. So when it reaches the temperature, it'll cut off. But it just makes everything so efficient. Especially smaller sizes, you won't using that much electricity. And 900 watts is fantastic for a camper van. So if you've got like a 1500 watt inverter, well enough. So let's put the drawer back in. Well, let's actually plug it in. So we've got the timer outside here. All you do is turn that and that activates it. So I can hear the fan immediately going. I wonder if it turns off. Yes, it does. So once you open the drawer, it turns the fan off and the heating element. I still can hear the timer ticking away. So let's get it on maximum temperature. And luckily enough, I have got some bacon here. So we'll chuck a couple of slices of bacon in. Like I say, it's not massive, but What do you expect for £16? Get quite a few chicken nuggets and stuff in there. Different things. So we put 2 slices of bacon in. We'll set it for 10 minutes. And then we'll have a look in 5 minutes. Plug that in properly. So in about 5 minutes I'll have a look, and we'll have a look and see how it's going. Right, we're back. We're coming up to the 5 minute marker, so we'll have a look, see how it's doing. So after 5 minutes, it's not far off done actually. I've had to reshoot this again because I had me focusing all wrong a little bit. So if you can recognise, these are different bits of bacon. But I've did it all from 10 minutes again, and it's just past 5 minutes marker. We'll actually, I'm going to flip these over, and then we'll do it for 10 minutes and see what kind we get. Be great for sausages, chicken nuggets. But like I said, only 900 watts. So we'll come back in another 5 minutes. So we're back again. We're just coming up to the 10 minute marker now. We'll wait till it clicks off. Because we're pinged, don't forget, this is only 900 watts. So absolutely fantastic. And the overall dimensions aren't that big, as you can see. My hand's there. It's as big as my hand. So that's it. You didn't get your ting, did you? So that's it after 10 minutes. Perfectly cooked. Be nice with a row of sausages on. Beautiful. So 10 minutes, even less to be honest. You get perfect bacon. In your camper van, 900 watts. From Aldi, this one, £16 I paid. I've got another air fryer coming up from Lidl. What's I think it's 4.5 litre one. And that were very cheap as well. So I'll put the link in below once I've done that video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would for more reviews. Goodbye for now.